Hey guys, it's Scottie here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to sketch this reference with a brush pen, but you can use any pen or pencil to do this too. And then I'll be importing the line work into Procreate to try some colour. This reference is a little bit of a challenge because her pose is quite bland and her facial expressions as well, but I do like the way she's holding the milk. And I think that the glasses and the folds in the shirt are quite interesting actually for a brush pen. So first you'll notice that I'm starting at the top and working my way down. I'm trying to get that shape of the hair, and then I can move to the eyebrows, always looking at each point that I sketched last to find the next. So that's why I'm not sketching with construction lines, because I'm trying to find those shapes between each feature. So I'll compare the eyebrow to where the ear is, to where the hairline is. When I move down to the nose, I'm making a triangle between the endpoints of the eyebrows and the nose. With this way of sketching, I'm not going to get it exactly right, but I really like the feel of this kind of sketch. So with the eyes, nose and mouth, I take a long time trying to get those right, especially with the eyes. And I would recommend when you're sketching the iris to make it a bit smaller than you think. When I get down to the clothing, I can be a bit more expressive, and I love the lines that this brush pen makes. With the hands, I always struggle with hands because I haven't had as much practice with drawing fingers, but I'm trying here to draw little lines to indicate where the fingers go, but I never do too much because they end up looking like gloves. So now I've finished the line work, I'm going to take this into Procreate. Taking a photo, I brighten the image up so that it's more white, and then I put it on a layer by itself and I add multiply on. That means I can color on the layer below. With colors, Procreate can help you out because you can go to harmony on the color tab and it will help you select a color that matches your main color that you've chosen, which is really handy. So there you go, I hope that's been really helpful. If it has, please like this video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.